Welcome back and welcome to another algebra practice. In this video, we're given the variable x and y vary inversely, and we're going to use the given value. The first one is x is 4, y is 6, and that's the next question, to write an equation relating x and y. Then we're going to find y when x is 0.5. All right, let us review what is inverse variation. We write down inverse variation is y equals k over x. Now, we have x, we have y. That means we need to find out what is k. In Algebra 1, you learn how to rewrite a formula. Now, we need a k. So k is x times y. This is what you need to find a k. So you go here, you have x, you have y. To find the k, which is a constant of variation, we simply times x and y, which is 24 in this case. All right? And now the next step, this is our step 1. Step 1, you need to find a k. Step 2, you can start to write this beautiful form, okay? And then you say y is 24 over x. You just wrote a relationship for x and y. And step 3, now x is 0.5, what is y? So you're going to do 24 divided by 0.5. And please go ahead and finish it. Remember, this is a portion of your homework. By the way, what is other homework? In this section, whatever I did not finish, that's yours. And now let us look at the next one. X is 1/2, y is 1/3. We go ahead, use this k right here. K is xy. So step 1, you see k is x times y. 1/2 times 1/3, that's 1 over 2 times 3, that's 6. Okay? Step 2, you're going to write down y is k over x. Your k is 1 over 6. So you're going to write down y is 1 over 6 divided by x. Ooh, that looks very strange. So we need to do a little bit of work, okay? So 1 over 6 divided by x, which means 1 over 6. Keep it, change it, and flip it. So you actually have y equals 1 over 6x. All right, I'm going to erase our scratch paper work. And the last step is we're going to find out when x is 0.5, what is y? Now you're going to figure it out because you just did substitution right here. Okay, so figure out what is y. That is how we can write an equation relating x and y when we know the variables vary inversely. Happy learning. May God richly bless you.